Okay, so for each one of these challenges, there's a button you can click on, and they all have different categories. This first one is called Super SSH, and it is in the General Skills category. So we can click on that, and then this challenge window appears over here. Okay, so it has the name of the challenge, the different tags for the challenge, and we have a description over here. And in the description it says, using a secure shell, SSH is going to be pretty important. Can you SSH as CTF player to titan.picoCTF.net at this port and get a flag? You will also need the password, which is this, if asked, accept the fingerprint with yes. Okay, so what we need to do to solve this challenge is to use the SSH program to log into the server. Okay, so all we need to do is use the SSH program, and in fact, we can actually copy this entire, up until here, the port number, and we can just copy that with Control-C, and then we can go to our web shell over here, and then we can paste that in with Control-Shift-V. So because we're working inside of a Linux terminal, we have to use Shift whenever we want to copy and paste. So it's going to be Control-Shift-V, and the SSH command we need to do is SSH over here. Inside the terminal, we're going to need to modify some of this output over here. So it's going to be SSH, okay, and then CTF player. So this is the second part of the command, which is the username, and then we use the @ symbol to indicate that it's a username on a server. So it's CTF, so it's SSH CTF player at titan.picoCTF.net. And then at the end over here, we need to delete the @ port over here, and we need to do -p. So -p is what supplies the SSH program with the port number. Okay, so the finished command is SSH CTF-player at titan.picoCTF.net -p 60572. So all we need to do to finish the challenge is to press return inside of the terminal, and then we need to answer yes when it asks us if we were sure we want to continue connecting. So type in yes, press enter. And then we have to enter the password. So to enter the password, we go back to the challenge page, and we copy the password from here. So we copy this, and then Control-C. So here it's not Control-Shift-C because we're not in the terminal. If we do Control-Shift-C, then we're going to see some other stuff pop up. So we go back to the web shell. We have to Control-Shift-V to paste, and then we hit enter to log in, and that finishes the challenge. So it says, welcome CTF player, here is your flag, picoCTF, and then this flag right here. So it says secure connection, and then there's a personalized bit right here, which is unique to each player. So each player is going to have a slightly different flag. So that means that we can't share flags between different players. So what we need to do is we need to copy the flag. Whoops. So we'll copy from the beginning, copy the whole flag, and when we let go of the mouse button, it's going to automatically cut this over to the clipboard for us, which is nice. And then we go back to the challenge page, and we can submit the flag in this flag submission field right at the bottom of the challenge description window. So Control-C, Control-V to paste it in, and then click on Submit Flag. All right, so it says, hooray, your team already received credit for finishing this challenge. That's okay. So we can click back into the challenge right here, Super SSH, and we can show appreciation to the challenge designer by clicking on the like button right here. So it's thumbs up. So just like that. Okay, so that's Super SSH done. Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.